Bought on AliExpress these automatic dimming welding glasses or Auto Darkening Welding Goggles anti-dazzle windbreak impact with. Yeah, it actually works, and I tried several times, and they are effective. I like it, and they are cheap but very effective. I use it today, and if you look like this, and when you see sun, it starts to be dark. At first we need to remove this film before using. After remove it, there is sun batteries. Do you see? They start to work like sensors when you're welding. And when you remove, you start to see everything, and they work awesome. I like them. It's better than usual welding glass. Okay, let's try to weld something. Okay, it works awesome. I do not have any problem with eyes now. It works awesome. This Google is way better than this face mask for welding from Lidl. Cheap welding mask. This one it's €7, but they are awesome. I like them.